The economy is out of recession. It's supposed to be good news for investors and for stocks. But a closer look at the data shows economic momentum has actually slowed and the mood is of caution.
At first glance, annual growth was in the impressive double digits, 11.8% in the quarter ending June. But that's mainly because the economy came from a low base last year when it plunged deeply by 17%. Economists instead zero in on quarter-on-quarter numbers that show output, or GDP, shrank by 1.3%, reflecting the March to May stay-at-home orders.
With the most recent rise in virus cases and the enhanced community quarantine in Metro Manila, it's looking more likely that we're going to see repeated weakness in Q3 and maybe Q4 as well.
With GDP data dampening sentiment, the PSE index shifted from green in morning deals to red at the close of today's trade. It was little change at 6623.23, adding just 9 points. Consumer stocks like Pure Gold probably reflect how soft the economy was in the second quarter. Pure Gold shares lost nearly 2% after announcing sales were down 7% in the first half. It still was in the black, but mainly because it cut cost. The sell-off among foreign investors persisted for a third trading session. From London's Capital Economics to Europe's Oxford Economics and ING Bank, economists are downscaling 2021 growth forecasts for the Philippines.
What we've seen so far is that fiscal policy has been rather lackluster. There's been difficulty in raising enough funds and also in dispersing stimulus to the places where it's needed.
As the capital region controls borders again this August to contain the spread of the Delta variant, government steps up its vaccination drive.
We will maximize the use of this present period to inoculate as many as we can so that we can pave the way for the safe reopening of the economy.
Investors want to see widespread vaccination combined with a supportive fiscal and monetary policy that will put money into consumers' pockets and allow businesses to stay afloat, because good health and the return of jobs are indicators the economy is out of the woods. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.